The lamp is an amazing device. A clay container, a few fibers twisted into a wick, some oil to serve as fuel, a spark to provide the initial ignition, and we have a burning lamp, producing light and illuminating its surroundings. Each of the lamp's 4 components is indispensable to its function. The ultimate goal of the lamp is its flame that produces light. But a disembodied flame, pure energy, would be invisible and non-illuminating. For that, we need a wick, a physical substance that holds the flame, anchoring its pure energy to a specific place and time, thereby transforming it into a visible source of illumination. But a wick and its flame, on their own, would simply flare up and die in seconds, consuming each other with their opposite natures. It is the fuel that feeds their symbiotic relationship, empowering matter and energy to live together as an enduring source of light. Finally, the wick, the fuel, and the flame require a vessel to house them, a container that holds them together so that the wick can channel the fuel that sustains the flickering light. The soul of man is a lamp of God. If a person is to serve as a functioning lamp, he or she requires each of the 4 components that we have just described. Our soul is the flame, a divine spark dispatched on a mission to illuminate the world. But the soul on its own is pure divine energy, utterly aloof from creation. It requires a wick, our physical body, to hold it in existence and to transform its transcendent energy into a tangible source of light. However, without supplying this lamp with the appropriate fuel, body and soul would consume each other with their opposing natures. The materialism of the body would smother the spiritual voice of the soul, and the spirituality of the soul would flee the materiality of physical life. In either case, human life would not serve as a source of divine light. The union of body and soul, therefore, require the oil of the mitzvot, the godly actions that the body feeds to the soul in order to sustain it as an illuminating force in the world. Finally, all 3 components, oil, wick, and flame, or body, soul, and mitzvot, require a container to serve as the environment with which the mitzvot can be performed, and a human life can serve as a source of divine light. That container is our physical world, the arena in which the human being can become a brilliant lamp of God.